BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So if you are tied into the Google ecosystem and find yourself using the different Google apps and services like Docs, Sheets, Slides, Drive, and Gmail, just to let you know that Google has announced on the 24th of June, which was yesterday in my part of the world, that Gemini AI is now available in the side panel of those different Google apps and services. Now, just a quick side note here. Unfortunately, if you do find yourself using Gemini, this update is not available for personal Google account users like myself. It's only available for workspace customers, but because it is quite a significant update, I'm just putting you out there if you do find yourself signed up with a workspace subscription. Now, basically what's changing according to Google is that they say that through the side panel, Gemini can assist you with summarizing, analyzing, and generating content by utilizing insights gathered from your emails, documents, and so on, all without switching applications or tabs. So basically that's the benefit, according to Google, that Gemini AI in the side panel of those different services is going to bring to the table, so to speak. They carry on to say the updated interface automatically summarizes the content you're working on and provides contextually relevant prompts to help you get started. They also mention that the side panel will use Google's Gemini 1.5 Pro model, which apparently will give you a longer context window and more advanced reasoning, according to Google. Now, first of all, just having a quick closer look at Google Docs, which is currently on my desktop being displayed. They say Gemini in Docs side panel can help you write and refine your content, summarize information, help you brainstorm, create content based off of other files, and a whole lot more. Then having a look at Slides, and what's changing here is that Gemini in Slides side panel can help you generate new slides, generate custom images, summarize presentations, and more, according to Google. Then having a look at Sheets, they say that Gemini in Sheets side panel can help you track and organize data. In the side panel, you can quickly create tables, generate formulas, and ask how to accomplish certain tasks in Sheets, and that's according to Google. And then the second last one, looking at Drive, Google says Gemini in the side panel of Drive can summarize one or multiple documents, get quick facts about a project, or deep dive on a topic without needing to find and click through numerous documents, according to Google. And then the last one, they're also introducing, Google says, Gemini in Gmail, in the side panel of Gmail, which you can use to summarize email threads, draft an email, suggest responses to an email thread, and a whole lot more, according to Google. And as mentioned, this was announced yesterday on the 24th of June, and that's when the rollout pace started with immediate effect, but it's a phased rollout. So it's starting on June the 24th, and I would say by the middle of next month, July, this rollout should have finished. And the availability is for Google Workspace customers with Gemini Business and Enterprise add-on, Gemini Education and Education Premium add-on, and Google One AI Premium. So as mentioned, not available if you are using a personal account like I am, but nonetheless, if you are signed up with a Workspace account and are a customer, a Google Workspace customer, then those are the improvements that are now rolling out across Docs, Slides, Sheets, Drive, and Gmail. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.